Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solutions with Anamika Tyagi. Let's start the video. Today's topic is pictograph. So, in the last of this video you will understand what is a pictograph and how to present it. So let's know about pictograph first of all. What is a pictograph? The collection of any information in the form of numerical figure is called numerical data, and that numerical data represented by picture or any symbols is called pictograph. Basically, you can understand the pictograph to represent numerical data through any symbols and pictures called a pictograph. Now let's understand this pictograph by this question. The number of various types of vehicles running in a day on the road of Bhopal city is shown below. Cycles 800, scooters running 500, cars running 300 and buses running 200. Convey the above information through the pictograph. As the question is given in the form of numerical data, this numerical data we will represent by the symbol that will represent as a scale of the pictograph, which is very important to show. And for a scale we need to find that number which will divide all the numbers given in the question. As in this question all the numbers are divisible by 100. So I will take a scale of this pictograph as 100 for each symbol. So let's see first of all how to choose a scale. As for this pictograph I am going to choose a square shape equal to 100, cycle. Triangle shape I will choose for 100 scooters. These symbols I have chosen to represent the given vehicles. Now I will choose rectangle for 100 cars, and I will choose circle for 100 bus or buses. Okay. Now we will make column to represent pictograph. Make one thing remember, if in the question the scale given, then no need to choose any scale. In the question if the scale is not given, then definitely we need to choose the scale. Make a column as I have shown here. Now mention the information given in the question. Like in this column we will write the name of the vehicle, and in this column we will present the symbol, and we will present this numerical data through these symbols. Let's see this. Now look at this. I have written the name of vehicles here. Now I am going to present the symbols for this numerical data. How to represent the symbol for this 800, 500, 300 and 200? It is possible that we will make a picture of 800? No. First of all, what we will do? We will write, first of all we will do a rough work, like how many cycles are running? In the question given 800. And how many scale we have chosen? 100. We will divide this number. 800 cycles are running in a day and 100 scale we have chosen. Make sure. Okay, we will divide the question by the given scale. 0 will divide by 0. Now what remain? Answer we will got 8. It means we will draw only 8 pictures, which is we have chosen here. That is a square shape. It means we need to make 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now what we will do? Do the another one, scooters. How many scooters running in a day? 500. And what the scale we have chosen? 100. Again 0 will divide 0 and answer remain 5. It means we will draw a 5 triangle to represent 500 scooter. Here 5 triangle 2, 3, 4 and 5. Do the same things for the third one, which is car. How many cars running in a day? 300. And the scale we have chosen 100. 0 will divide 0 and we receive only 3. It means we will draw rectangle shape 3. 1, 2, 3. Understand? Now the last one is buses. 200 buses running in a day and 100 scale we have chosen. 0 will divide 0 and the answer is 2. How many circles we need to draw here? 1 and 2. This is our pictograph. To represent this information like this is called a pictograph. This is a pictograph for this information. Understand? Similarly, we will solve another question. There are 1350 persons living in a colony of Pune. The number of persons knowing various languages is given below, like Hindi 500 persons, Tamil 450 persons, Bengali 250 persons, Malayalam 150 persons. Draw a pictograph which convey the above information. For this pictograph, we will first of all do to find out scale. As you can see, the given numbers are divisible by 50 in this question. So, I will take 50 as a scale of this pictograph for each symbol. Which symbol you want to choose, you can choose. I am going to choose this symbol for 50%. Am I clear? Now we will make a column to represent the information given in the question. Serial number and the language we will write one side, and one side we will give information about the persons. We have 4 languages, so we will make 4 columns. And we'll write language here. Language, number of persons. Am I clear? Now let's do. Write the name of the language. Hindi, Tamil, Bengali and Malayalam. In this also we will do first of all rough work to make the number smaller to represent the picture. Like first of all, given Hindi, how many persons knows Hindi language? 500. And what the scale we have chosen? 50. As I mentioned, 0 will divide 0 and 5 tens are 50. What answer we have received of this question? 10. It means we need to draw 10 picture in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now another question for Tamil is 450 person knowing the language and the scale is 50. 0 will divide 0 and 5 nines are 45. So we will draw 9 pictures for Tamil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Am I clear? Now do the third one, which is Bengali, 250% knowing this language. So we will divide this 250 by 50, that is scale. 0 will divide by 0 and 5 5s are 25. It means we will draw 5 pictures for this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5. And the last one is Malayalam. 150 will divide by 50, that is the number of person knowing the language and the scale. 50 will divide 0 and 5 3s are 50. We have received 3 for this division. It means we need to draw 3 pictures only, 1, 2 and this 3. Am I clear? So in this way you can make a pictograph for any information that you will get as a question. I hope you all have understood how to draw the pictograph. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please press the like button and share this video as much you can. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.